gotta rewind. This is too far ahead. Alright, this is pretty good. We gotta go back to the start though, when my friend first got on it. Here's basically what happened. Yo, bro, you wanna do a video?
No!
You wanna do a video?
Yeah.
Alright, so the first step of this process, we need glue. You'll see why later, but like, we had to go into this like cave right here.
Yeah, bro, I found the monkey again, bro. I gotta kill him, bro.
What's that?
I had 2 shots.
Got 2 shots, he's dead.
After getting harassed by a cat thing, we finally found the area that we need to be in for this experiment. Bro, if there's a megalodon in here, I'ma die. Hey. Enjoy Capuchin music, because this part took too long, and I don't want to edit it all. We're only 1 minute in, and I've been editing for 2 hours. I thought that right here I was gonna get the glue, but something bad happened. Like, you'll see what happened. Yeah, what'd you build?
Wait, shoot, be careful. Be careful.
I don't have a hook shot. I can't. Yeah, I was helpless right here.
Shoot. Run back. Run back. There's some spawn in here too.
Yeah, recentering was probably the dumbest idea I did. No! I died! But my friend was able to get all the loot after I died because he's like really good at Animal Company, so yeah!
Wait, actually? Hold up. Backpacks?
Yo, it worked! I have a double backpack. Just so you know, the reason we need double backpacks with glue is because we need to make a mega backpack and we're gonna fill it with dynamite, so that's how we're gonna be like making this work. So okay, and we're gonna attach it. Rope. There we go. Okay, that's attached. Okay, you connect as many as you can, and I'm going to do the same.
Oh, how much bags do you have?
4.
I have 5.
You know, maybe we actually make it.
Yo, bro. Yo!
Okay. No. This needs to be connected. Yes!
Oh!
Okay, one last backpack.
Wait. Hey, yo. Wait, how do we know it actually worked? Did it make the sound?
Okay, can I wear it?
Yo. Oh, bro. I think we have to connect them one by one. Oh! Duty.
Okay, you can have that
Oh
one.
my gosh, it looks so weird.
I'll have this one, you have that one, okay?
Yo, what?
And then we're gonna get as many dynamite.
How do I open it?
Oh my gosh!
Dude, it's
Yo,
literally broken.
can I have some?
Oh, it actually goes in your Okay, shotgun. It's fine. Oh! It's right there!
Where? What? Oh, I thought you were schizophrenic for a second. You wanna put it in here, and then you wanna repeat.
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
No! No! Oh my gosh! Oh, that was close. Stop, bro. Where'd you even go? Oh my gosh, bro. Holy. Okay. How much do I have now? What? I still have them. Oh, there's a limit. There's a limit, I think. Okay. That was so close, bro. I was doing it wrong. This is how you do it. Once it's at the last little sliver, you don't stop it, you put it in. Oh my gosh.
Wait, don't explode that. Okay.
You keep it going, then you put it in here. Crap. Okay.
Well, I have 3 bags
keep
full
it-
of dynamite.
Your bag's full of diamond.
Dynamite.
That's the wrong thing! Or something in this game. Yo, I'm gonna make mega dynamite. Boom. Boom. Okay, this is gonna...
Don't do that near here. Go away, bro.
Ah,
You still have one right there.
okay.
Don't even ignite that.
Oh
I
my
don't want my game
gosh!
crashing. Help me do it.
That's
Want
teleport
this one or
gun.
that one?
I want that. No, I mean hook shot. Okay, go up there. Go to the. Don't worry, bruv. I've been studying glass for $13. Wait, up here would be perfect. Oh my gosh, I'm so heavy. Dude. Okay, go up here.
Yo guys, don't mind why I sound like a dying hyena. I'm sick right now. Basically what happened, we found a good spot to record, but something bad happened. You'll see.
Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, they're not all open. I gotta open all of them really quick. This is gonna be risky.
No, because if you open it, dude, you're fine. Oh, never mind. Ah! I kind of dropped a few.
I did too. Okay,
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
oh shoot. Oh no. Oh no. No!
Wait. Ah!
Go back.
Got 5
Wait,
boobs.
20, 40, 60, 80, 100.
This entire time you've been watching this video, you've been wanting to see this exact moment right here. And I just want to say, it's crazy.
Oh